meteorologist Chris Nelson.
Still have two severe thunderstorm warnings at this time. One for northeastern Clark County, the other one for western and central portions of Marathon County. The one for Clark County runs until 5:30. The other one for Marathon runs until 6. Take a look at 24/7 Skywarn radar. The intensity of these storms here. Again, all these are driving, we'll say east to northeast at around 25-30 miles an hour. Plenty of lightning. Look at our lightning detector. Around 250 lightning strikes just within this cluster the last 5 or 10 minutes. We're talking about possibly some dangerous hail as well, around a quarter to maybe even bigger, maybe even golf ball size hail, and some gusty winds and some heavy downpours. We're going to go street level for you right along Highway 97. We have Highway 153. So again, right around this intersection, probably the strongest part of this storm right now. And if you're right along, we'll say Highway 13 heading north towards Medford and Stencilville, you'll probably have this at around 5:15. Eventually the Wausau Metro will be, I would say, just around 5:30. We'll say 5:24, and eventually Athens at 5:25. Again, if you are in the path of the storm, seek shelter at this time. Now, taking a look out to the west, we have more thunderstorms on their way, and nothing strong to severe within this complex, but I think we'll see some lightning, some gusty winds, and some heavy downpours as we had round number 1 pushing through central and north central Wisconsin early on this morning. So we'll just add more rain to the old rain gauge. Marshfield sky cam, some dark conditions as well. You can see ominous clouds. No surprise since the thunderstorm is nearby. Temperatures for you folks a little bit cooler, 68 in Marshfield. It's 78 for Wausau, but again, you folks soon will be looking at some cooler temperatures. Likewise for Wisconsin Rapids, it's back in the low to mid 80s, so it's warm. It's still muggy in a number of spots, but what's kicking off these showers and thunderstorms is a cool front, and that will drive back these dew points into the drier, we'll say, territory, and the temperatures will cool off as well. So this evening, again, if you're going anywhere in central Wisconsin, one, make sure you have your WSAW app downloaded so you can track those storms, and secondly, make sure you have at least the umbrella and maybe a rain jacket nearby. And if you're going near those thunderstorms, you probably want to stay inside and let those pass right off the bat here. 7 o'clock on our computer model, doing a really good job on these bundles of showers and thunderstorms, and as we go through probably the later parts of the night, a lot of this stuff begins to wind down, especially I think these strong to severe storms, and then we'll still have some isolated to scattered showers in the forecast into tomorrow morning, and a lot of this begins to drive back down to the south and to the west as that front and area of low pressure moves out of our area and will decrease the cloud cover, and we are going to be looking good in terms of temperatures and overall weather conditions once we get into Friday and for the weekend with temperatures. You're going to like the forecast. Once that cool air sinks in, temperatures will go back down in the 70s for high temperatures, and it'll feel maybe a little bit more like, we'll say, end of August, early September rather than late July. 75 for your Thursday, back up into the upper 70s for Friday. You'll like the weekend. For now, I have things dry, maybe a stray shower or storm for Sunday, and we're going to turn hot once again. Summer-like temperatures invade central and north central Wisconsin for the middle half of next week, taking a swing at 90 degrees. For the latest weather, you can head to our website, WSAW.com.